It was so hard to not open this the other day. Look, I started. I have to admit I started, but I thought, no, she probably would want me to open it on camera. So, here we go. What? Oh, look at the card. It's beautiful. These work great as stickers. Okay, this is from Sharla Winterbottom. Tummy. Look how beautiful this card is. Thank you, Sharla. This is very sweet. It's gonna go on my mantle. I got a notepad. It's got little Easter baskets and little lambs. Oh my gosh, look at the little tiny lamb in the corner. And little chicks and eggs. And little bitty carrots. So cute. Thank you. Ooh. Oh my gosh. I was just saying the other day that I can't use the kind that smell like food because they make me want to eat. But today I actually plugged in my I got one of those plug-in little wall wax melt chargers. Not chargers. You know what I'm trying to say. It melts the wax. And I have bundt cake. And I plugged that in today. Oh my gosh. I started to do this. That smells exactly like what it says. Salted caramel. And I think I'm going to pull bundt cake out and put this in. And this, I actually like this better than the bundt cake. The bundt cake kind of made me want to eat and also was a little too sweet. But this has that salty smell. I don't know, how can you smell salt? But you can. So, thank you. A Ghirardelli chocolate square, which is a little worse for the wear, but my stomach will not know the difference. Oh, what is this? I can't see very good sometimes. Moments. Oh, this is so nice. It's a notepad. This is so nice. You know, sometimes I have trouble finding a notepad even though I have a bunch because they just get thrown in a drawer. This is so pretty. I can leave this sitting out on my desk, and then whenever I need a piece of scratch pad, got it right there because this is perforated. See how easy it tears? Oh, that's so nice. Thank you so much, Sharla. And there's more. Oh, another chocolate square. This one I can give to my hubby because it didn't get squished. The other one, I have to eat it. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so cute. It says, enjoy the ride. And it's got a little pin. I guess I take this, yeah, I take this plastic off. Hang on while I take the plastic off, honey. Okay, so that's so cool. It has a loop right here where you can store your pin. And then it's got, this is magnetic with a little bicycle. And I think this probably came from, I don't know, I'm guessing Tuesday morning. Yeah, I'm thinking this is probably a Tuesday morning tag. And I think I've seen pretty stuff, not this, but I've seen little smaller things like this. I guess it was last summer I saw some smaller versions of this. This is beautiful. It's got gilding in the center of each flower and gilding on the bicycle. There's a hubby trying to sneak into the doorway. Are you done working on the lawnmower?
Yeah. Now instead of having to buy a brand new mower, we fixed ours for $14.
You fixed the mower? Yay! So we don't have to hold it together with pliers anymore?
Nope.
while we mow? Okay.
Our next thing would be to try and...
Okay, sorry about that. The hubby was just coming by to let me know he was finished working on the mower. I don't know exactly what was wrong with it, but it had this problem that he tried, we could still mow with it, and he tried to fix it, and it made the problem even worse, to where then he had to have pliers to keep it running while he was mowing with it. It was bad. Anyway, he fixed it, and I got one more thing in my box from Sharla. Oh, look! She put little bee stickers on. Isn't that cute? A little fox in a bun. Adorable. Thank you. Let's see what's in here. Oh my gosh! Oh, you know what? She had... Oh, look! Sharla, this is from when you messaged me the first time, and I was sort of MIA off of YouTube because, as I guess all of you probably know, I think I told you all that my dad was very ill, and he's since passed away. So anyway, she was trying to send me something around Valentine's Day. So that's what this second envelope is. That's so sweet, Sharla. I'm glad you sent this. Oh, oh my gosh! Oh, look at the little bee. Wait, is he a magnet? He is! He's a magnet. I'm going to cut these tags off. Oh, look, he has a little heart antenna. You know what? He can go on my board behind me. I don't know if we're going to... Let's see, where can we see? There he is. Can you see him? I don't know if you can see him because I'm so blind. There he is. I need to clean up my bulletin board. It's too cluttery. Anyway, there's the bee. Thank you. Let's see what else. Okay, and so I was squealing over these. Love these. I saw somebody haul these, and I am so excited to get these. Oh, I love it. They're little shaker stickers from Dollar Tree, and they say, be beautiful, be kind, don't worry, be happy, believe, sweet as can be, all little bee themes. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. These are little valentines with little, this is an elephant, and but look, the bee. Of course, the bee and the owl are my favorite, and the little pug. Wait, is that the pug and the owl and the bee? Isn't that so cute? I have to think, what can I do with these? I wonder if I could make with paper clips. Those are precious. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, these are probably the cutest stickers ever. Look, they're little bees. And they're handmade. It says handmade stickers. Thank you, Sharla. I have to think of something special to do with these. Probably put one on my monitor for sure. And then last but certainly not least, another cute pad with a bicycle. Oh, this is so much fun. I'm absolutely in hog heaven. Look at all my goodies, you guys. Oh my gosh, this was so fun. I don't know, well, maybe I've sent out like one friend mail ever. I don't know, but I didn't know it was this much fun to get friend mail. Now that I know, I'm going to start sending friend mail out to people. Because first of all, whenever I got the envelope, I about came unglued. My husband thought it was crazy. I started bouncing up and down. I was like, it's from Sharla! It's from Sharla! But then I knew that I needed to wait and do a video so you could see me enjoying my stuff, because I figured you'd like that. So anyway, thank you for all the goodies very, very much, and I hope you had a happy Easter.